Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Face ID not working on iPhone 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Reset Face ID. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down and choose Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Scroll down to find the Reset Face ID button in red text and tap on it to confirm you want to reset Face ID. Tip number 2. Erase all content and setting. Will delete your all data from your device like photos, video, install application, documents, etc. So before click on it, please backup your data first. Now let's know you how can do erase all content and setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal. On the journal page, scroll down, tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap erase all content and setting. Erase this iPhone, continue. Enter your passcode, tap erase all. Thanks for watching this video.